Quick look at the top of the box. First beater box in a year. We got a $1,500 beater box from Sole Supremacy. Let's find out what's inside. One pair of loosies and the rest are all boxed up. First up, the loosies. Size 9.5, lightly worn condition, and they got this little goose on the back. Maybe it's the golden goose, who knows? These are actually fucking amazing. Uppers are looking pretty nice. Couple of little scuffs here and there, nothing that I won't be able to buff out. They remind me of the ceramic dunks that came out in the last couple of years. It's a nice little pickup here. 9.5, no box. Pair number 2, Nike LD Waffle Sakai, size 9. We got that black and white colorway right here. Very neutral colorway, and these things happen to be in immaculate condition. They've been worn a little bit, you can tell because the nipples on the outsoles are a little bit worn down, but these things have been very well kept. This is a good pickup right here. I'm absolutely pumped to have these in this beater box. Third pair, size 10.5, Jordan 4. And we got a pair of Breds. Let's go. These are in very lightly worn condition. These things have almost every single star intact and just need a light scrub down. Wow, these are looking really good. These are clean. Very nice pickup on this pair of Bred 4s. Can't believe that I got these in this beater box. Fourth pair, got a size 12.5 Jordan 4 Retro SE. These are basically a Jordan 4 what the. This pair is in worn condition. The right shoe has some yellowing to it. There are a few scuff marks on the midsole paint, and these have been worn a few times. They're not in the best condition, but they're very lightly worn, and somebody that likes them could definitely rock them. Size 12.5, pretty much a unicorn size though. I'm digging it so far. Let's find out what's next. Size 9.5, Jordan 13. I honestly don't know the official colorway. It's a black and purple Jordan 13. Nice shoe, but nothing crazy going on with this pair right here. It's very lightly worn. Jordan 13s are bomb. I definitely love them. They just fit a half size small in my opinion. But my feet are weird too, so I don't know if that's a true assessment. 2 pairs left. I can't wait to find out what's inside. Stop it. This is ridiculous. I'm almost certain that we just encountered one of my top 3 favorite pairs of kicks. Size 13, Air Jordan 8. No way! No fucking way. Are you kidding me? No way. Oh my god. This is one of my all-time grails. Jordan 8 Doernbechers. Absolutely crazy. Lightly worn condition. Wow, holy smokes. These things look stupid good. They've been worn on the left shoe on the midsole. There's some slight paint cracking. Outsoles look pretty good, and I could probably throw them in the ice box for a quick session. A little bit of creasing. They've been worn, they've been loved, but damn, these look good. I cannot believe it. This pair is in the top 3 for me ever. We still have one more pair. Size 12.5 Jordan 4 Retro. White Oreos in lightly worn condition. Little bit of a damaged box. Shoes are lightly worn, but damn, these look really good. There's very minimal creasing on the toe box, and the outsoles show very minimal signs of wear. These are definitely still in very good condition. In 12.5, also unicorn size. Very good come up right here. I'm pumped to have these in the arsenal. 7 pairs in this $1,500 beater box from Sole Supremacy, but there were certainly some amazing kicks. I'm curious what you guys think though, so please let me know in the comments below. You already know, I'm Sailboat, and I'm out of here.